G'day guys, Greg here. Now, KFC's got a brand new secret menu item I'm going to try today. So, first of all, we have to order it. So you go to the app, and then you swipe down here, the little man comes, secret menu, boof, and there it is. The barbecue bacon and cheese twister. Or it's called something like that. $7.95 it's going to cost. So let's go get it. Alright, well, here it is. Let's suss it out. Oh gosh! Can't believe how excited I get for some new KFC. Or any KFC for that matter. Okay, here it is. Okay, well, on this, I can see some bacon there. You ripper. But there's the guts of it, so it's got 2 bits of chicken tenders and 2 bits of bacon with some, looks like barbecue sauce and a bit of lettuce there. Hang on a second. There's no cheese in this. Crikey! Rightio, well, I'll take it back in and, well, see if I can get another one that's got cheese on it. Alright, well, here we go, take 2. Let's try this one out. Cheese! I hope. Oh, look. They gave me a free chips for my trouble. Well, don't think that'll adjust my all over taste, all over everything score. But it might. Yum. Right. Here we go. Let's see. Okay. Right. Here it is. A piece of that fine Australian cheese. All right. Let's try this one. See what it's like. But first, let's suss out this barbecue sauce. Got a real smokiness about it. It's kind of sweet, but that's the way it should be. Let's go. Yummy, yum, yum, bubble gum. Definitely a lot of sauce on this, that's for sure. It blends in nicely with that bacon. Although I couldn't really taste the KFC in that bite. I need some more. Oh boy. Jeez. The barbecue sauce on this is, well, there seems to be quite a bit of it. And it's really strong. But it really does blend in nicely with all the other ingredients. Although, in saying that, I really can't taste the KFC chicken on this, which, well, it's the one reason we come to KFC, isn't it? To get a taste of those herbs and spices. But the barbecue sauce on this seems to just drown it all out. And 2 bites in, it doesn't even feel like it's touching the sides.
That's what she said.
I really feel like I need another one already, and I haven't even finished this one. Right, well, after a couple of bites, I am sort of finding that, well, I can taste the bacon in there, and the blend of the barbecue sauce and bacon goes beautifully together. I got a slight hint of the cheese then, and, well, it sort of made it a little bit creamy. But with all that barbecue sauce on there, it really does drown out the taste of those beautiful KFC chicken tenders. But I can barely even taste them on there. Even though I can't really taste the chicken on it, it sort of just disappears in this. And they could have not even put chicken on it, and I probably wouldn't even notice. Although if they did do that, there'd definitely be a void of texture in there, and I probably would notice. But what I am noticing is they're still using the cabbage, so you can taste the hardness of the cabbage in there. I mean, it's not a bad thing, but you can still taste it. Here's a big example right here. Can't wait for them to get that lettuce back in store. But I mean, it's tasting pretty good. I am enjoying it, but I'm not tasting that KFC flavour. So in that case, what score would it get out of 10? Well, value-wise, $7.95 for this. Well, you are getting 2 bits of bacon on there. There's a couple of bucks. A couple of chicken tenders. Yeah, there's a few bucks there. And, well, $7.95, but actually when you add it up, it's probably all right. Flavour-wise, well, the barbecue sauce on this really blends in nicely with the bacon, but it's a little bit too overpowering where you can't even taste the chicken on it anymore. And, well, I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I'm guessing it's a bad thing because, well, I come in here to eat KFC, not barbecue sauce. It is very tasty though, and I would definitely want another one after eating this. I could probably eat 3 of them actually and still want to go back for some more. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score, I think the bacon and cheese twister thing, KFC roll, whatever it's called, it should deserve a score of 7.5 out of 10. It is missing that classic taste of KFC, and well, that's why I go in there for. I don't go in there to drink some barbecue sauce. I want 11 secret herbs and spices tiptoeing across my tongue, and oh yeah, that's what I'm after. But besides that, it's very tasty, and if you do feel like something to eat for lunch today, I would recommend going in and trying one of these bad boys. And if you do go, tell them Greg sent it. Hopefully, they'll forget the cheese, and when you take it back, you get a free chips.
Oh, yeah!
Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat something from the Dirty Bird. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review